getting out of the city. Had some good times with family in town. Picked up my girl.
That was a while ago.
Yeah, that was a while ago, but not in this video. They don't know. So allow me to fill you in. Amanda got in a few days ago. She flew a couple thousand miles from Pennsylvania to meet me in my hometown where I was born in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Of course, we had to go to the biggest outdoor show on earth, the Calgary Stampede. Monster Energy in the Calgary Stampede! Woo! Hey! A little rodeo action. We had a great time with our cowboy hats and seeing the rodeo. We also played some mini golf where I got a hole-in-one that won me the game once again. Still undefeated between Amanda and I. Amanda on her second shot. Looking for a par 2 here. Well, it's par 3. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, so close. And see, that was it.
Good job!
That was amazing. We also had a little family reunion at the park with the Fuso all set up. This was one of the things that we're real excited to do in Canada. We've got a bunch of our family over here. Big family reunion in the park. And we're using the rig to cook up a bunch of burgers. And Amanda's helping. Oh, hey.
Hey, Phil. Hi. Oh, it's wonderful. Oh, he's got a griddle somewhere. Didn't know that.
Yeah, I got a little griddle to make up all these cheeseburgers. Quick water fill with the slides in. No big deal.
There's the... Do you want me to show him how it's done? The tires, I mean.
Yeah, show them how it's done.
Cheers.
She's learning the rig. What do you think so far here?
I like it. Plenty of space.
Middle there, yeah, perfect. In her dress and all.
Oh, that wasn't heavy.
So these were built so they can drop to the ground, which is kind of cool. Nice work.
The whole way?
Nice work, yep. You done it, easy peasy. This is nothing compared to the military rigs. I'm going, I'm ripping. Oh my gosh. Calgary, Alberta, Canada, here it is. Pretty good view of it, eh? Hey, bud.
Hey, bud.
Edworthy Park. Great off-leash dog area.
Sun.
Now we're headed to the main event. The real reason my whole family gathered in Calgary at this time was for the Gunther's Building Center 70th anniversary barbecue. My grandpa was Gunther. He started Gunther's Building Center 70 years ago. My dad and my uncle have run the business, and now my brother is taking the reins. So it was awesome to show Amanda that and also get to stay with some more of my family on their property. Well, not quite camping, but we're in the grass. This is my aunt and uncle's place, and I've stayed here in the Jeep before. Just a beautiful yard, so super stoked to be here. We're whipping up a smoothie inside right now, so that's...
I'm one-wheeling, you're running.
Dang it.
Good job, babe. Woo!
Stole my one wheel.
Stole the one wheel.
Woo! Go, 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 go. Come on! You can keep up! Just kidding. Yeah, you're about to go see the Rocky Mountains for the first time. Driving through Banff. Looking forward. Heading into Banff. I'm not driving. First time driving the Fuso. What do you think?
It's nice. It's comfy, bouncy. It's easy to drive. I like it.
I was so confused when I first saw these things. It's like, why'd they build a bridge and then just like let nature take over? It's a wildlife bridge, so wildlife can cross. Pretty cool, eh, bud? Check it out. We found this big old RV wash bay. First time rolling into something like this. I know I've got plenty of room. Look at that. You can go up there and wash. Gotta get all these bugs off, mainly. So many bugs from the drive. It's insane. They're like not even going off. All right, so we found this super sweet free RV parking. Well, you gotta pay to get into Banff. You gotta pay to park. $22 till 4 p.m. tomorrow. But we're gonna find a place to urban camp for free in Banff. I've been on the road 6 years, a bunch of different rigs, and I've urban camped quite a bit. Walmart's, Cracker Barrels, you know, all this stuff. But this rig is the most comfortable for urban camping in Banff. May just be one of the trickiest places to do it because it's very regulated. There's a lot of people around, but I got some spots. I think we'll be good. We might even be able to stay here. Anyways, we got the mountain bike off. I went riding yesterday at Canada Olympic Park with my cousin Zach. Super fun. We got the one wheel off, and we're doing a little one wheel mountain bike combo. We're leaving the Rocky Mountain hardtail behind. Amanda and I are gonna switch one wheel and bike. We're gonna go ride the Fenland Trail and go to a brewery. But yeah, we get this super sweet public parking. Oh yeah, 9 hours max free, 8 a.m. 8 p.m. so no parking at night. All right, so we just figured that out a minute into the video that we can't camp here, so I hope we can camp where I've got in mind. I was here last week, a week ago today, with my family. We rented this house in Banff. It was super fun, but now we're nomading it, and it's going to be way easier to find camp spots after this. I've got some stuff planned, but yeah, Banff is one of the trickier ones. But anyways, first we mob. So right as you get into Banff, there's this Fenland Trail. The Fenland Trail! And it goes in and dips in by the river. It's so cool, and it's super fun on the one wheel. Because you gotta look out. There's roots and ruts and stuff all over. Like if I was just full speed into that, we'd be not doing well. You wanna switch? Nice.
Who are you?
Banff. Hey, you wanna hang out?
Catch me if you can.
I can do wheelies. Hey, look, I'm cool.
Oh gosh. Woo! Oh, I gotta make it over these roots. Oh. Your cameraman's too slow. Let me catch up.
See that little creek on the left there? There's some cooler spots to stop right up around the bend in the shade.
Surprised you didn't call it a river.
I'm learning. I'm surprised you didn't call it a river. Whoa! Sketchy pass, eh? Hey, bud? Oh, wow, I didn't even hear ya. This spot's pretty sweet, huh? It's where my mom and I ran the canoe. Eh? To say it like a proper Canadian, I gotta call her my mom.
Me mom.
Me mom.
Nice wheelie.
And a flyby on the one wheel.
Oh! That was a close one. Woo! How do I stop it? Oh, I thought that was a skid mark, but it's a root.
So I just hit pushback by pushing too far forward, hearing the haptic buzz, me, me, me. Still leaning too far forward, hitting the front end into the ground.
Oh!
The pros do this on purpose, where they'll drag the front end like all the way up to full speed. I'm just thankful I made it out of that. I was not trying to do that on purpose. Navigating the roots is tricky. You. So cool, babe. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Oh gosh, that's a jump.
Nice work. Woo!
Oh, I think this is gonna be the best Indian food we've ever eaten. Yep. So good.
With the best view? Oh wait. Camera's wrong way.
Good one there. I see what you did there. This is the best Indian food I think I've ever had.
All right, we're rolling up. This is our road. We had a lot of fun. The sun went down quick, so we're just gonna pull up right here, and this is gonna be our spot. Okay. This is where we're staying for the night. Should be good. Let's get these spares out. Cut the slide out. We'll see it. So obviously we're not super stealth with the slide being out. Hey Codes, how you doing? You want to come hang out outside? But if we're here overnight, they obviously know we're here, right? I'm not putting the stairs out.
Is there a car right behind you?
Yeah. Oh hey!
Hey.
You crawling on through?
Yep.
Nice.
Don't even have to stand up.
Yeah. It's not a pass through, it's a crawl through, which is pretty sweet for nighttime when you're ready to go to bed.
And then
No, it's nice out. Well, we did get the door knock about an hour ago. We're leaving now. Yeah, just said you can't camp here in Banff. And we're like, we know. So we'll leave. But anyways, really quiet road. Nobody else is around, so we're good. But yeah, we'll go and stay at real camp spots now. Head to Golden and British Columbia. I want to thank you for being a viewer here today on this episode of Down to Mob. Thanks for watching. The only question is, are you down to Mob Canada with me, baby?